I'm Lionel Morrison. I work with an offshore drilling company, and recently in the bike I just skidded and fell in my left shoulder, and been treated for with medicines and with physiotherapy and all. That didn't much develop me more pain, and it was not covering up for 3 months. Then I suggested to come to this Dr.A.K.Venkatachalam, and he checked me up, and he seen all my tests and all, and he suggested to do the operation, and we agreed and to do the operation. And right now I finished my operation. Now it's going to be 3 weeks, and I'm continuing with my physiotherapy, and it's improving. So, I had an operation of rotator cuff tear, and with keyhole surgery.
Okay.
I'm doing regularly physiotherapy, help of the daily physiotherapy, and I'm gaining to mobilize my hand with 70 degrees.